This video guides you how to create a device update account, instance, and storage account. Go to Microsoft Azure page and sign into Azure portal. If you don't have an Azure account, create one for free before you begin. Click Create a Resource. In the search window, type Device Update and select Device Update for IoT Hub that appears. Click Create and select Device Update for IoT Hub. Here is an example configuration. Select IoT_Hub for subscription. Select the one created in the linked video for resource group. Specify any value for the name of account details. This value is reflected in the instance name. Select the location that matches the region specified in the linked video. Select an initial value for the SKU. Select the one created in the linked video for and IoT Hub name. Click the Diagnostics button. Click the Networking button. Click the Encryption button. Click the Review button. Wait for a while, and when the validation passed is reached, click the Create button. Press the Go to Resource button on the completion screen. Click Access Control, IAM. Click the Add Role Assignment button. Select Device Update Administrator and click the Next button. Click plus Select Members and enter part of your email address in the Select in the upper right corner. Click your email address in the screen. Click the Select button. Click the Next button. Click the Review plus Assign button. Wait for the role to be added. Click Instances. Click the linked hub name link. Click Access Control, IAM. Click Add Role Assignment. Select IoT Hub Data Contributor and click the Next button. Click plus Select Members and enter Azure Device in Select in the top right. Select Azure Device Update. Click Select. Click the Review plus Assign button. Confirm the contents and click the Review plus Assign button again. Click Check Access, type Azure Device in the top right pane, and select Azure Device Update. Click the X button in the upper right corner to close the window. From the top left menu, select Storage Accounts. Click the Create button. Here is an example configuration. Subscription, Resource Group have the same value as Create Device Update. Specify any name for the storage account name. The region is the same value as the location in the Create Device Update. Click the Advanced button. Click the Networking button. Click the Data Protection button. Click the Encryption button. Click the Tags button. Click the Review button. Click the Create button. The configuration is complete.